Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a brand new Adobe Stock Contributor account and start selling your photos, videos, and designs online. Let's get started. First, open Google. In the search box, type Adobe Stock Contributor and hit Enter. Click on the official link that says Adobe Stock Contributor. Now you'll see the Contributor portal. To continue, you need an Adobe ID. If you don't have one, click Join Now or Create an account. Email address and set a password. Or hit Google or Facebook login, verify your informations. You also need to confirm your date of birth because you must be at least 18 years old. Next, add your phone number, first add country code, and enter mobile number. Adobe will send a confirmation SMS code to your phone. Verify your account. First, go to Google and search for Adobe Stock Contributor. This time, you'll be redirected to the Adobe Stock dashboard. Click on Contributor Account at the top of the bar. Fill in your account and address details carefully. After that, let's move on to complete the tax form. Next, enter your tax information and click Continue. Select whether you are an individual or a corporation, then Continue. Now, the important step. Choose your country and the resident tax form. You'll see 3 types of tax forms. Select the one that applies to you. In this video, I'm filling out the W-8BEN form for a country that has a tax treaty with the USA. And go to bottom of the page and hit Continue. Now you can this your tax form and fill it your information. In few minutes, this tax form visible in Contributor account, validated if you fill it correct, and you can resubmit it. And that's it. You've just created your Adobe Stock Contributor account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you next time.